Hello everyone, today I will show you how to design automation logic in monday.com. Automations save time, reduce errors, and make workflows more efficient, but designing them incorrectly can cause confusion. First, understand your workflow. Map out tasks, triggers, and actions before creating automation. This ensures your logic is clear. Next, choose the right trigger. Monday.com offers triggers like status changes, dates, task creation, or updates. Selecting the correct trigger is essential. Then define the action. Actions include moving items, changing status, sending notifications, or creating tasks. Make sure the action matches the trigger logically. Use conditions wisely. Conditional logic lets automation run only if criteria are met. This prevents unnecessary actions and keeps workflow clean. Test automation first. Try it on a small board or test item. This helps spot errors before affecting the whole workflow, review and refine. Monitor performance over time, tweak triggers, actions, or conditions as your workflow evolves. So yeah, designing automation logic in monday.com is about clear workflow mapping, correct triggers, matching actions, conditional logic, testing, and refining. Follow these steps and your automations will work smoothly. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions.